This place is in the middle of nowhere. It's in a non-touristic area of Tbilisi. It's very difficult to find, but totally worth for your visit. Today in this episode we are going to show why this place is so special and why it is hidden gem of our city. Tbilisi Auto Museum is one of the largest museums of vintage Soviet cars and only one in South Caucasus, with a splendid collection of Soviet cars, and not only. Let's go! Here at this place you will find wonderful collection of vintage Soviet cars. All of them has different and interesting stories behind. Today at this museum you will be impressed to see the wonderful condition of the cars directly from the factory with its all details on it. Exact these cars were the cars that were used by leaders of Soviet Union and very high position people at that era. At this place you will get surprised to see cars produced from Stalin's era till Gorbachev's time. All the collection, all the times you can find in front of you. That is perfect place for car enthusiasts and culture diggers. This is the car and the only model that was not produced in Soviet Union, and it is American Ford, and this car was used in a famous movie of Bonnie and Clyde. At the museum you will become surprised to see not only rich and powerful people's collection by Soviet era, but also collection from ordinary people's life and such kind of models that belonged, for example, to emergency at Soviet era or police, for example. These cars now has become a history, and this history becomes alive in front of you. At the museum you should expect to have knowledgeable expert local guide who is able to share very interesting facts about all the cars in English and Russian languages. Keep in mind that at this museum you will find the smallest car from Soviet times that actually is motorcycle with its status. The working hours of the museum range from 11 till 6 p.m. every day except Monday, and the entrance fee is 15 Georgian lari, it's about €5. Keep in mind that this museum is not located in central parts of Tbilisi, so you definitely need to get here with taxi. One of the best way what I can recommend you is to use metro station Samgori, and from there take boat and visit this unusual and very interesting place in Tbilisi. Keep in mind that at this museum you will be able to explore not only a rich collection of Soviet cars, but also Soviet time motorcycles and military cars as well. Well, I hope you find this video helpful for your upcoming visit in Tbilisi, and you will explore this unusual and interesting spot in the city like a local. Make sure to subscribe our channel, make sure to stay updated with other videos. See you next time. Bye!